In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create awesome off-camera flash portraits in seconds.
Hi buddy, I hope you're well. In today's video, I'm going to do a timed 5-minute challenge. But for the first time ever on my channel, the challenge is not going to be natural light, it's going to be using off-camera flash. We are at this stunning location house today, which is beautiful, and it's in August, but we are in the UK, and this is what we often get. So it's not a beautiful day, it's very overcast, very grey, very cloudy, but using off-camera flash, we can still create really dramatic portraits. Now, I know that there is this sort of misconception almost that you can't use off-camera flash quickly on a wedding day because it takes too long to set up. So in this video, I'm going to try and squash that by showing you that you can create really dramatic portraits very, very quickly. All the photographs in this video are going to be taken on my Sony A9II with my Sony 35mm f1.8 lens, and my partner Helen is going to be holding the MagBox Pro 24 on an extension pole. Now, I will say it's much easier obviously to do these sort of shots if you do have a second shooter or an assistant, but you can still do this even if you haven't, because you can just grab a member of the bridal party or grab somebody at the wedding just to hold that in place for you. And each of the shots I'm going to take in today are going to be composites. So I'm going to take one photograph with the MagBox in the shot, then I'm going to stay still, say to Helen, okay, got that, if you can just move out the scene, Helen. Then I'm going to take another one and I'm going to blend them both together in Photoshop to create really dramatic portraits. And again, all going to be done within 5 minutes. So we're going to work very quickly. So I'm going to go inside now, find my friend Elle, and then we'll start shooting. Now, I will say that I am slightly cheating in this video by using the amazing Elle over here, who's an incredibly talented model. So that is cheating. However, what I'm still trying to get across in this video is that you can create really cool portraits quickly. So even if you're not trying to get as many portraits as I am going to try in this video, you might only be trying to get 2 shots within the 5 minutes. You can still do that with off-camera flash. So I just hold my hands up. It is cheating using a model as talented as Elle. I'm gonna get my phone out now. I'm going to set this to 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is starting now. Okay, so just as we are, again, on my Sony 35mm 1.8, just going to make sure the composition is correct. That's beautiful. So this is where you'll see that I'm cheating because Elle is amazing. Perfect. Okay, Helen. So once Helen's out of the shot, I'll just take another one, and we're good. Okay, Elle, if I can just move you a bit more central now, if that's okay. I'm going to put you just in the middle about here, right in the middle. Oh, Elle's getting a bit of a jog on. She knows that this is the important one. So you can be right in close, Helen, if that's okay. That's a really cool way to light. That's beautiful. I'm taking a few shots here because then when we're editing, I've got more options. Stunning, Elle. Okay, Helen? Yeah, that was amazing. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna take a shot now with the whole house. I'm gonna just put you in front of that brick thing there, please, Elle.
To find out how to blend and edit composite images in Photoshop, please watch this video. Now, ideally, you would use a tripod when creating composite images like this, but by editing like I show you and selecting the Attempt to Automatically Align Source Images option, you can create these images handheld. It's like a cheat code.
Okay, Helen. Helen, we're getting the steps in today doing this. Okay, perfect. I'll move you over. Actually, can I get in here? This was not in the plan. I always go off plan. Let's try and shoot through all this. Can I just put you back where you were, Helen? Where you are, Elle, if that's okay. Neil, don't change the plan when you've only got 5 minutes.
For these next 2 shots, I forgot to take the second image with Helen not in the photograph, so I had to rely on generative fill in Photoshop to remove Helen, and it worked really well both times. Just to remind you, all the photographs that you see in my videos were edited using my Lightroom preset pack, which you can download from my website.
That's cool. Okay, Helen, Perfect. Okay, Elle, we'll now come, can't get out of here. We'll come up to here if you don't mind, Elle, if that's okay. I'm gonna shoot down this line. So if you want to be out there, if that's okay. So this is Elle's dress as well. Sorry, Elle. I'm gonna be a bit closer this time. Helen, I might put you on this side, if that's okay. You're not gonna thank me either. It's really wet in there. We've got 2 minutes left. So just looking towards that light, please, Elle. Gorgeous, yes. That's really nice. Okay, Helen, I'll just keep you there. Beautiful. No, actually, Helen, you're not even in it now, so you can stay there. Just look at the quality of the light now, just from the MagBox. Just changing my aperture, just because I'm taking the sting out of the MagBox a little bit. Just a little bit front lighting, that's it, yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, brilliant. And now we're going to get a big one of the sky. So if we can just bring you a little bit forward, please, Elle. That's how we do with the time. That's good, yeah. Okay, we've got 49. Oh, we're smashing it for time. That side, I think, please. I get the camera really low now. That's cool. Oh, this is good. This is the thumbnail. Okay, Helen. Okay, Helen, back in if that's all right. I've already got the base shot now. Let's just wait for the time. Elle, these are brilliant. The time must be up. I feel like I'm cheating. There it is! There is the time. Huge thank you to Helen for helping here. Massive, massive thank you to Elle. She's been amazing. And thank you to Sarah at the beautiful location house. So here are my favourite photographs from this little portrait shoot. Remember, all these photographs were taken within 5 minutes, as you've just seen. Now, it was cheating to use a model as good as Elle. I also had Helen on hand, but please do remember that even if you don't have an assistant to hand, you can just grab anybody to do that. That's not putting down what you did there, Helen. It was amazing, but anybody can do that job. All they need is 2 arms. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, if you have any questions about anything I do in this video, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you very much again for watching, and I will see you next time.